Namaste. I welcome you all for the prize announcement ceremony of Spurana Kala Utsava 2021 edition 2 Sri Ramanavami special. After the success of edition 1, which held on Mahashivratri, we came up with the second edition for Sri Ramanavami and we received a lot of talented entries. Some categories had very less number of participants, but they all were highly talented. The competition was very tough, which made us give prizes for almost all of them in some of the categories. Before we move on to the prize announcement, let us hear from our esteemed judges. First, we have Mr. Praveen Kumar.
Namaste to all. This is Inchara Praveen Kumar, singer and music director. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Vincent Paul for organizing such a great event, such a great competition during this pandemic. I felt very happy that all the participants, they have participated very well. Few of them were extremely good. So I'm very happy that still our culture have long way to go. We have so much of strong young buddies. I congratulate all the participants, all the prize winners. Vincent Paul, keep doing the same thing. As I have seen, Vincent Paul is a great dancer. He's a legend. Like in the small age only, he's doing so many things. As I have seen, I'm very happy to be a part of Spurana Kala Utsava. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, Praveen sir. And we have another judge for the music category, Zee Kannada's Saregamapa fame, Srimati Ramya Bharadwaj, a singer and a teacher. Let us hear from her.
Hello all. Namaste. I'm Ramya Bharadwaj, singer. Today I'm here to just share my experiences about Spurana Kala Utsava 2021. First of all, congratulations to all the participants because you have done an amazing job. I loved your dedication, sincerity and hard work towards the music. And I was actually surprised because in this generation, especially children are most attracted to the Western music. But here, when I saw your dedication towards Carnatic classical and the devotional songs, I felt very happy. So first of all, best wishes for you for that. And at the same time, I request you all to just continue this hard work, the same dedication and the sincerity towards the music. All the best for you all. And I just wanted to share something about Mr. Vincent Paul. Great Bharatanatyam dancer, very dedicated boy, and I'm very happy that he is my brother. And thank you, Vincent Paul. You have done an amazing job. That too, organizing or doing the things through online. It has become a challenge these days, but you have taken that challenge in a very lovely way and you have done an amazing job. So congratulations to you also. Congratulations to Spurana. So let it be a successful journey for you throughout the life. So everyone, thank you so much and all the best for you for your future.
Thank you, Ramya ma'am. And now let us hear from our dance judge, Miss Anjana Ramesh.
Namaste. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Trust all of you are doing well and safe. It's truly been an honor for me to judge the Spurana Kala Utsav, the second edition. In these difficult times, watching such beautiful children and young dancers taking to competitions like these and giving their very best is indeed a pleasure to watch. I truly thank Vincent for inviting me to be a part of this Utsav and to judge this competition. With respect to the contestants, the dancers were absolutely brilliant, one better than the other. And let me be honest here, judging was not very easy, very stiff competition, and I must say that Bharatanatyam is in very safe hands in the next generation. The little ones have done their very best, and the teachers have done a tremendous job in training them so well. It's been an honor and an absolutely pleasurable experience to watch them perform and to watch them perform so joyously. All the items were in praise of Lord Rama, and the creativity and the energy was absolutely beautiful. In these difficult times, moments of joy like these is what keeps us as artists going. Congratulations once again to Vincent for putting up such a very well organized competition and having participants from across the state sending in their entries. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it has truly been a very enjoyable and honorable experience for me to be a part of the judging panel at the Spurana Kala Utsav 2021. Wishing all the contestants the very, very best, and congratulations to the winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Anjana. The main idea of Spurana Kala Utsava is to promote and encourage the young artists. We encourage as many talents as possible. This being the motto, the prizes are just to bring the spirit from the young hearts. Today if you lose, it is only for today. And today if you win, that is also only for today. If you lose today, try tomorrow. If you win today, never stop. Let us get into the prize announcement of Spurana Kala Utsava 2021 Edition 2 Sri Ramanavami Special. In the music competition, in the Pankaja category, the first prize goes to Aditi Gautam. Congratulations, Aditi. In the music competition, the second prize in Pankaja category goes to Suditi Ambale. Congratulations, Suditi. In the music competition in Pankaja category, the second prize is also shared by Chinmayi D. Congratulations, Chinmayi. In the music competition in Pankaja category, the third prize goes to Sadhvi Harish. Congratulations, Sadhvi. The third place in music competition in Pankaja category is also shared by Saudami. Congratulations, Saudami. In music competition in the Manjari category, the first prize goes to Kushi S. Rao.
नी चरितमो पोगडालेदुना चिंतदीर्चि पदमुदीर्चि वेगमे नी चरितमो पोगडालेदुना चिंतदीर्चि पदमुदीर्चि वेगमे.
Congratulations, Kushi. In the music competition in Manjari category, the second prize goes to A. Ananya.
ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣಿಲಿ ಕೆನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡುವೆ ಕೊಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮನಶುಚಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Congratulations, Ananya. In the music competition in Manjari category, the third prize goes to S. Yadushri.
ರಾಮ ಸಕಲ ಲೋಕಾಭಿರಾಮ ರಾಮ
Congratulations, Yadushri. In the music competition in Saurabha category, the first prize goes to Srivalli Ramalakshmi.
Upacharamu cheseva runnarane maruvakura. Upacharamu cheseva runnarane maruvakura.
Congratulations, Srivalli Ramalakshmi. In the music competition in Saurabha category, the second prize goes to Lakshmi R.
Ramam Syamala Megha Komala Ruchim Rakendu Bimbanaram Rakendu Bimbanaram.
Congratulations, Lakshmi. In the music competition in Saurabha category, the third prize goes to Shamita Shri.
Tarakaru Puni Nija Marma Mulanu Tarakaru Puni Nija Marma Mulanu.
Congratulations, Shamita Shri. In the music competition in the instrumental category, the first prize goes to Vaishnavi Arabhi. Congratulations, Vaishnavi. In the music competition in instrumental category, the second prize goes to Harshita Karthikeyan. Congratulations, Harshita. In the music competition in the instrumental category, the third prize goes to Akshat Piram. Congratulations, Akshat. Now, let us move on to the dance competition results. In the dance competition, in Pankaja category, the first prize goes to Sanvi Rajesh. Congratulations, Sanvi. In the dance competition in Pankaja category, the first prize is also shared by Akshat Piram. Congratulations, Akshat. In the dance competition in the Pankaja category, the second prize goes to Sai Annapurni Sudhakar. Congratulations, Sai Annapurni. In the dance competition in Pankaja category, the third prize goes to Karal Vili. Congratulations, Kairalvedi. In the dance competition in Manjari category, the first prize goes to Smriti Vikram. Congratulations, Smriti. In the dance competition in Manjari category, the second prize goes to Kanishka. Congratulations, Kanishka. In the dance competition in Manjari category, the second prize is also shared by Niyati Biju. Congratulations, Niyati. In the dance competition in Manjari category, the third prize goes to Gayatri Menon. Congratulations, Gayatri. In the dance competition in Manjari category, the third prize is also shared by Adhya S. Congratulations, Adhya. In the dance competition in Saurabha category, the first prize goes to Medha Vyakarna. Congratulations, Medha. In the dance competition in Saurabha category, the second prize goes to Harini Shri Karant.
Shri Raghurama Janaki Rama Sita Rama Jai 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 Dasharatha Nandana Raghukula Tilaka Rajiva Lochana Jai Jai Jai.
Congratulations, Harini Shri. The second prize is also shared by Anvita Nayak. Congratulations, Anvita. In the dance competition in Saurabha category, the third place goes to Bhumika Marathe. Congratulations, Bhumika. Let us move on to the special mention prizes of Spurana Kala Utsava 2021 Edition 2 Sri Ramanavami Special. Aishanya Sri Gowda from Chiguru category in music competition gets the special mention prize. Congratulations, Aishanya. Shrida Ambale from the music competition in Ankura category gets the special mention prize. Congratulations, Shrida. Nandana P. Menon from music competition from the Pankaja category gets the special mention prize. Congratulations, Nandana. Ananya PS from the music competition in Manjari category gets the special mention prize. Congratulations, Ananya. Sai Lalita from the music competition in Saurabha category gets the special mention prize.
Rama Rama Ravi Kula Soma Kodanda Rama Pattabhirama.
Congratulations, Sai Lalita. Nritya Karthik gets the special mention prize.
Pamagari sa ni sa re ga ma pa da pa da ni sa sa re ga ni sa.
Congratulations, Nritya. Hita Srinivas gets the special mention prize. Congratulations, Hita. Let us move on to the merit certificate announcements. Kumari Saumya Agilan from the Manjari dance competition gets the merit certificate.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
Congratulations, Saumya. Kumari Shraddhayan of the dance competition in Manjari category gets the merit certificate. Congratulations, Shraddha. Congratulations to all the participants and the winners for actively taking part in this edition. I thank all the participants and their parents for encouraging and promoting this rich Indian heritage and culture for the next generations. I would also like to thank our esteemed judges, Shri Praveen Kumar, Srimati Ramya Bharadwaj and Kumari Anjana Ramesh for spending their valuable time for Spurana Kala Utsava 2021 Edition 2 Ramanavami Special. I also thank our trustees of Spurana Nritya Kala Kendra, Shri Krishna and Shri Arunesh for their unconditional support always. Our sincere thanks to Srimati Vimala Bojaraju, who is always there to help me and Spurana, who has beautifully designed the invitations, the brochures, the posters and the certificates. Thank you so much, Mrs. Vimala.